To sum up, understanding single-line diagrams can give anyone a bird's-eye view of an electrical system. This knowledge is crucial for pinpointing issues, ensuring efficient operation, and maintaining the overall health of the system. The power system, as the backbone of the single-line diagram, encompasses all power-providing components like generators and transformers. The control system, on the other hand, is the safety net of the entire system, housing protective elements such as circuit breakers and fuses. Lastly, the communication system serves as the eyes and ears of the system, facilitating monitoring and control through meters, sensors, and other devices. Remember, the complexity of electrical systems need not be daunting. With tools like a single-line diagram, it becomes a manageable and even fascinating undertaking. That concludes our journey into the world of single-line diagrams. With this newfound knowledge, may your encounters with electrical systems be less puzzling and more enlightening. Stay curious and continue exploring.